College Algebra, Topic 2.5, number 9. We have the absolute value of 2/5 x plus 4 is greater than 2. The rule for dealing with absolute values and a greater than sign is to break this up into two pieces, a left and right side. On the right side, we will just simply remove the absolute values. So we'll have 2/5 x plus 4 is greater than 2. For the left side, we'll remove the absolute values, have 2/5 x plus 4, but we'll change both signs. So this will be a less than and a negative 2. And then we'll solve both sides, the left and the right side. So for this, I'll subtract 4 from both sides, and I'll get 2/5 is less than negative 6. From here, I'm going to multiply both sides by 5, and I'll get 2x is less than negative 30. I'll divide both sides by 2, and I'll get x is less than negative 15. Okay, for the right side, subtracting 4 from both sides, I get 2/5 x is greater than negative 2. From here, I'll multiply both sides by 5, and I'll get 2x is greater than negative 10. Then dividing both sides by 2, I end up with x is greater than negative 5. So these are my two answers. So I'll put an or here. X can be less than negative 15, or x can be greater than negative 5. Now, as a graph, this would be to the left, open at negative 15, and open at negative 5, going to the right. As, let's say, interval notation, this would be negative infinity to 15, negative 15, parentheses, unioned with parentheses, negative 5, comma, positive infinity. Now, an absolute value that's followed by a less than sign is handled differently. First, we remove the absolute values. So we're going to get 3/4 x minus 12 is less than 3. Then we repeat the sign behind, so another less than, and then we change the sign 3 to a negative. Okay, now from here we solve from the inner part. So I'm going to add 12 to all three sides. And what I'll get is a 9 less than or equal to 3/4 x less than or equal to 15. Okay, then from here I'm going to multiply everything by 4. This will make this a 36 less than or equal to 3x, and 4 times 15 will be 60. Okay. Then I'll divide everything by 3, and here I'll get 12 less than or equal to x less than 20, and this is x is greater than 12 less than 20. The graphic for this will be a line segment with open ends at 12 and 20, and the interval notation for this will be parentheses 12 comma 20 parentheses.